This video is going to be about the pyramid trigger that I have from my Glock 19. I'm going to show you the parts. That you can adjust the actual trigger, how it travels, how far it goes to get to the reset, and how quickly it comes back to the reset. Is that the trigger itself is more rounded off and it's smoother than some of the other after factory triggers. Right, the difference between the skeletonized striker titanium versus the stock, which this is the stock one, is there's a little bit of a weight difference, and the titanium is supposed to be much better about friction, and so you get faster, smooth, consistent striking of your primers, and also assists with the trigger pull in general. Again, the titanium safety plug will assist with the reset of the trigger